Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Jheanelle. In today's video, I'm going to be counting my micro locks. I have been locked for 2 wonderful years and I've loved every minute of it. Okay, every minute except for the starter phase. That was a little struggle. But thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you already have locks, congratulations and welcome to our lock family. If you don't have locks, I hope I can inspire you to start. So let's get counting. I'm giving very much Pippi Longstocking right now, but it's okay. I separated the hair. Okay. So this is 34. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and joining our lock family. You can always leave me a comment below if you have questions about starting or maintaining your micro locks. And be sure to turn that notification bell on so you never miss an update. Thirty-one. 1, 2, 3. $37. Okay, let's do this. Okay, 1, 2. Four, 0. Last section. 1, 2. 3, 0. On the left side, I have 102. On the right side, I have 101. So total, I have 203. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and leave my 2-year lock anniversary video somewhere up here in these cards. Until next time, be blessed.